today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you log out of WhatsApp. Now, it's pretty simple, but before you log out of WhatsApp, let me remind you something. Like, if you log out of WhatsApp, then all your chats are gonna be, deleted. So if you guys have important messages and photos on your WhatsApp chat, then be sure to back them up or save them in your phone. So basically, you can do this thing so you can be safe. You can click on this three dot, you can click on setting, and on setting, click on chat, and on chat, click on chat backup over here. You can click on chat backup and back up your chat. Now what this is gonna do is, once your chat is backed up, and even if you get out of your account and log into your account again, then all your chats will be backed up. They won't be deleted. So you can do this little thing over here, or you can just screenshot the chat to save it. Then let me teach you, as there is not a single button over here which you can click on WhatsApp and log out, like in Facebook where it says log out and log out from your account. You need to go to your phone setting and manually log out. Like, basically we're gonna delete and reinstall WhatsApp, but in a simple way. We're gonna offload it. Let me show you. So I can go out of WhatsApp, hold on WhatsApp icon, and click on app info over here. And after clicking on app info, I can click on storage usage. And on storage usage, click on clear data, and then click on clear. So what this is going to do is, this is basically clear all the cache and data stored in WhatsApp, and it's going to make WhatsApp new. So basically when you click on WhatsApp, you need to re-log into your account again, and it should probably fix your problem.